Hey there, have you found yourself locked out of your DoorDash account and wondering what to do next? This week, I've got the perfect guide to help you learn how to fix a deactivated DoorDash account. Whether you're a customer or a Dasher, getting your account back on track can be crucial. So don't stress. In this guide, I'll take you through step-by-step instructions to get back in action with DoorDash. Step 1. Identify the reason for deactivation. Before jumping into solutions, it's important to understand why your account was deactivated in the first place. Check your email for any notifications from DoorDash detailing the reason. Common causes include policy violations, low customer ratings, or improper background check. Knowing the reason will help you address the specific issue, present a solid case for reactivation. Step 2. Reach out to DoorDash support. The first proactive step is to contact DoorDash support. Visit the DoorDash Help Center or use the in-app support features to submit an appeal. Provide detailed information about your account and the issue. Be polite, concise, and directly address the reason for deactivation if known. You can also call their support line for immediate assistance. DoorDash support typically reviews all requests, so patience is key. Step 3. Correct any issues. If you've identified a specific issue like low ratings or incomplete documentation, work on correcting these areas. For Dasher accounts, ensuring your ratings meet the acceptable threshold or completing any pending background checks can significantly aid your appeal. For customers, make sure any billing issues or account restrictions are resolved to prevent further complications. Step 4. Follow up on your appeal. After submitting your appeal, follow up with DoorDash via email or their support interface. Wait a few days for a response, but don't hesitate to check the status if you haven't heard back. Be persistent yet polite. Demonstrating continued interest shows DoorDash your willingness to correct the problem and adhere to their standards moving forward. Step 5. Explore alternative solutions. While waiting for your account to be reactivated, explore temporary alternatives. Dashers can consider other gig opportunities like Uber Eats, Grubhub, or Instacart. As a customer, take advantage of other delivery services until your DoorDash account is resolved. This ensures that you continue working or receiving services with minimal disruption. Step 6. Stay compliant with DoorDash policies. Once your account is reactivated, it's important to remain compliant with DoorDash's policies to prevent future deactivation. Always review and follow their terms of service, whether you're driving for deliveries or ordering food. Stay aware of any updates or changes in their policies and adjust your actions accordingly. Dealing with a deactivated DoorDash account can be frustrating. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to resolving the issue. Understanding the cause, effectively communicating with support, correcting any problems, and remaining compliant will help ensure your account stays active. Remember, persistence and patience are crucial in this process. Hopefully, this guide on how to fix a deactivated DoorDash account has empowered you to take action and get back on track. Stay diligent and happy dashing.